Hey guys, Mike Builds. Welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, we're going to be upgrading the headlight bulbs in my 2001 Chevy Tahoe. So we're going to be trying out these LED light bulb replacements right here. They're super simple to install. You just drop them right in and you get instantly brighter lights. So let's go ahead and get these things unboxed, mess with them a little bit, and then we're going to get them installed. These are the light bulbs we're going to be using to upgrade these. These are made by OXILAM. I'm not really good at pronouncing some of these names. And the Tahoe uses a 9006 for the low beam, what the back looks like. All right, you get a set of installation gloves, nice. Product manual, kind of tells you about installing them and whatnot. If you're unfamiliar with how to change your bulbs or bulbs in general, maybe just look through it. There could be some good information. The bulbs themselves, these look really nice. Let's go ahead and pull one out. This part's all metal. You have a little fan there. So this is going to act as a whole heat sink, and the fan's going to help dissipate the heat from the LED. LEDs generally don't produce a lot of heat, but because these are so high power, there is some heat that needs to be dissipated. And the better you dissipate the heat, the longer this is going to last. So that to me is very important. Yes, very nice. We'll see how the fan holds up. I was trying to find the power rating on these bulbs because we're actually going to connect a amp watt meter to these and see exactly how much current these things use. And we're going to use one of these connected to that 12 volt lithium iron phosphate battery, and this should tell us on this display how much power the bulb is using. My setup is kind of sketchy, so I'm going to try to do this without creating a short circuit. So there's our power meter. I'm going to go ahead and connect the bulb to power. It's going to blind me, so I'm going to have to put this down somewhere. So the bulb is powered up, extremely bright, I'd like to add. We're using about 40 watts of power, so that's pretty good. Fan's spinning up nicely. I'll go ahead and turn our studio lights off. Yeah, that's pretty bright. 40 watts, not bad. I could feel the heat coming off of that. Luckily on these Tahoes and Silverados from this era, this is a 2001, it's actually really easy to do your headlights. You pull two pins out and the whole assembly is gonna come out just like so. There we go, we have our old bulb out. I've actually already upgraded these to LEDs at one point, but one of these was starting to flicker and give me issues. I have had these in the truck for a few years now, and because of the way my truck is, the headlights are always on. It's something I need to address. But now we're gonna throw our new bulbs in. These have a lot beefier heat sink, so in my opinion, the heat sink's really gonna make them hold up. These are more of a plasticky design with a cheaper fan. These appear to be a little bit more robust with a little bit better heat sink and fan setup. Very important for electronic devices to have fan cooling because there is some circuits in here to drive the LED. We're gonna take our new bulb and go ahead and install it in the correct orientation. And we're gonna go ahead and reinstall the adjustment mechanism with all the screws. All we gotta do now is take the connector, plug it in, and then we can take the whole housing and reinstall it into the truck, just like that. Here we go, guys. We have our new bulb installed in the headlight. Now we're gonna turn the truck on to make sure it works. Nice, very bright. Once it gets dark, I'll show you how bright it actually is. Nice, looking good. Once the sun goes down, we're gonna turn them back on at night and we'll see how bright they are. I'm gonna go ahead and get the other side knocked out real quick. But even during the day, you can see clearly this one's way brighter than that one. And I think that's the one that's giving me issues. All right guys, so here we are at night with the new headlight bulbs installed. As y'all can see, these things are crazy bright. They throw off a ton of light. The light's very, very bright. But you guys can see the light coming out of this is very bright. It's a nice color. So yeah, extremely happy and extremely impressed with the bulbs. Here's what it looks like from the driver's seat. Sorry about the dinging. All right guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know what y'all think about my LED bulb upgrade for my Chevy Tahoe. Really happy with it. Let me know y'all's thoughts in the comments and I'll see y'all in the next one.